Good morning everyone. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. So one day, one of my friend talked to me and asked me about, bro, I need a credit card facility. Do you know what are the banks that provided good credit card facility with the lower amount of interest rate? Then just suggest them the number of banks. Now I asked them what type of accounts you have in a bank. Then he told that he has a saving bank accounts in a bank. Then I was a little bit doubt, saving bank account and again credit card facilities, how is that possible? Then I suggest that there is no kind of credit card will be available on saving bank. There is another account that you have to maintain in your bank that you will get a credit card facility. So guys and girls, today on this video we'll discuss something about another term of account that's none other than current accounts. Okay, so I just want to request you to stay till the end. So today on this video we'll talk about what is exactly the current account, so why it is needed to open a current account, what is the difference between current and saving accounts, and what is the facility you will get a current accounts, and what are the things that you have to maintain in order to open a current accounts, and finally and foremost what is the overdraft facilities on a current accounts. Okay, so overdraft, when I'm talking about overdraft, definitely nothing about your credit card. Okay, so whenever thinking about a credit card, definitely it is only applicable your current account that should be opened by your employer. So many of you are working in a government companies or public companies, public sectors, or some private sectors, and some are working in corporate like that. So when you join a company, the company will ask you to open an account in your name. Definitely, so he will give you that number, three numbers bank where you have to choose one bank. Okay, so that you will debit or he will credit the salary on at the end of the month on this your account. Correct, so that is called the account is called the current account. Okay, where your employer deposits some money in your current accounts. Okay, so depend upon your ratings, depend upon your performance and average monthly balance, your bank will provide the credit card facility or none other than unsecured loan or none other than overdraft facility to you. Okay, overdraft facility is nothing but is basically a secured and unsecured. It means that unsecured is basically a credit card facility and secured is basically a fixed deposits where you take a loans overdraft on that. Okay, which I discussed in one of my video. So guys, so just have to remember that whenever you have a current account, you will get a overdraft facility, and none other than current accounts you cannot get a overdraft facilities. Okay, so if you want to know about more about current account, definitely you want to know that current account is nothing but same thing like a saving bank accounts. Okay, a saving bank account means like a saving bank which provide you to meet your day-to-day expenses. You do day-to-day transaction. There is no limit on a certain level, and you will provide ATM card facility, check facilities, and DD facilities, check and the passbook facilities. Same thing here, but only one thing is different, that the transaction you do in current account is comparatively more, the more facilities provided compared to your saving bank accounts. Okay, and the a disadvantages factor is that in saving bank account you will get some amount of interest like 2 to 3% of interest provided depend upon bank to bank, but in current account you won't get any kind of interest. Okay, because the transaction number of transaction is more compared to the saving bank account. That's why your bank will not giving any kind of interest to you. So it normally make your day-to-day expenses, pay bills, otherwise called as basically standing instructions, which is nothing but definitely the people who are in the urban areas or staying in the town or city, they know that they have to pay the water bill, they have to pay the electricity bill like that. So you have to maintain a standing instruction that every month you have to debit some amount from your account. Correct, so you don't have to open an internet banking or mobile banking, you have to pay. So you just have to do a standing instruction, and from that the amount will be deducted. Correct, so that's nothing but that current account will provide that's facilities. So it's a current account is nothing but a similar type of saving bank account where you not get any kind of interest. That is otherwise called current account. So what are the other facilities that a current account give? Definitely the other facility that a current account give is nothing that your fund transfer which is given. It is NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS. Correct, so account, so also there is you have to maintain an account AMB balance or average monthly balance in your current account. who is nothing but depend upon bank to bank. You have to maintain a average balance. It may be like in a month or like that. Okay, you have to maintain 20,000 like that. You have to maintain or depend upon bank to bank. Okay, so that you have to know it. So it's sorry, I'm telling about the average month balance is it's like 2,000 or 3,000 per a month. Okay, so it's just a correction. So as you know that this is a no withdrawal facility, no limit of withdrawals. Okay, there is no, you can withdraw any number of time. Or if you go on ATM, then your if your deposits, you're withdrawing something from your home branch or home bank, and definitely 5 fee transaction you will get. From other bank, definitely 3 fee transactions. Okay. So apart from that, you whatever the withdraw you do, definitely it is chargeable. And if you think about deposits and withdrawal facilities, definitely there is a, if you want to deposit, definitely up to 2 lakhs you can do a free deposits. Okay, there is no charge. Up from that you have to pay a charge. Okay, more and more than the 2 lakhs. Okay, in ATM also, if you get facilities of withdrawal, as well as if you exceed the number of withdrawal, definitely you got the charges for that. It includes GST charges, means it includes GST as well as the penalty that is given by the bank, 20 rupees or 50 rupees like that. Okay, so this is the facilities that is given by the current account. So what are the other facility? It's always helpful for the prompt business transaction. It means that the current account will provide it and open it in case you are employer on behalf of employee, and employer also have a current account. Like if you're working in a government or in a private, then they also have a current account. Suppose for example, gone are the days where people who are working in one company, but in case you are leaving one company, join another company, the company will provide you facilities of cash settlements. It means that your paid leaves and everything transfer from their current account to your current accounts. Okay, so that is the facility that is current account. So what are the other facility that is given by the current account? Internet banking, correct? You have given internet banking facilities, mobile banking facility, check facilities, overdraft facilities, and the facility will be given like passbook facilities and DD facilities. Everything is given by the current account itself. Okay, so it's a much about benefit for you if you are working as an employee, if you're working as a business. So these are all the benefits that is given by the current accounts. Okay, so many of you have a question that how many current accounts we can open in a bank. So you can open any number of current account in the other in different banks, but if you're thinking about one bank, then one bank will provide you the one number of current accounts. Okay, so yeah, the bank will definitely ask you that if you are opening an current accounts, you should maintain you should provide all the details. Okay, like if your company is opening a current account, company details is required. And if you have other current account in other bank, definitely there is one details that is that bank will ask you, that is NOC. It basically NOC means non-objection certificates. If you have an current account in other bank, there is not be a possible that there is no objections. Okay, there is no hurdles that you are an open account and bank have any kind of objection against you. This is things comes to mind because of the number of NPAs and increase in the banks. That's why whenever you are open in multiple current accounts, one bank will ask you, your respective bank also, if you have in other current accounts, and you provide all the details, so that on the basis of your profile, on the basis of ratings, on the basis of your performance, definitely you will provide the current accounts facilities. Okay, so that is all about the current account facility. And yes, so whenever thinking about deposits and when thinking about withdrawal, I just told that you can withdraw any number of times, but provided there is some limit on that. Apart from that, if you over and above limit, you have to pay the charges. But recently there is an news came from the finance ministry Nirmala Sitharaman that for the lockdown period, like from it is came in the month of March. So in the lockdown for 2 to 3 months, you don't have to pay any charges on current account if you for in number of deposits and in number of withdrawals, because of the thinking of these conditions. The bank would provide all kind of facilities, so we can withdraw anytime, we can deposit anytime at this time for your needs. Okay, so this is all about the benefits of current accounts. So now the question arises, the what is the things that is needed to open a current account? Okay, so a current account is opened by any person. If you are a person like one person, it can individual can open a current account, a chief can open a current account, a corporate can open a current account, a government can open a current account, in any company can current account, provided you should have these things like application with the photographs. You should have valid application where you fill all the details. You have photographs. If you have individual, definitely your photograph. If you are in company, then all the directors photographs is needed. Okay, then PAN card. Definitely, PAN card is needed because it's all about your details. Your valid PAN card will tell about what about the useful for the tax purpose. Okay, because current account number of transaction will be more, number of deposits will be more, so PAN card is necessary. So then address proof. Obviously, your address is required wherever you, whichever location you based, your address is required so that it can be based on that. Will open on current accounts. Then the next thing is certificate of incorporation and MOA. It means that whenever a company open a current account, like it is required that the document that is the company, when company is started, when a company started its business, or so when a company started its operations. So first certificate is required. That's called certification of incorporations. And MOA is nothing but is memorandum of association. I mean the companies and association, so memorandum and association, what are the documents is required, you have to submit in the to open on current accounts. So then if you have a partnership, definitely partnership agreement is required, because other unless and otherwise your partners doesn't have an agreement, bank will not open a current account on behalf of your name. Then another one is your residence proof is required. Then check an existing saving, check from existing account for, yes, so it is if you have a saving account or something like account, definitely you have to give a check facilities and all these things. Okay, and another than the contact details, and the contact details is required because if you do not give a contact details, definitely cannot open internet banking facilities as well as the facilities of mobile banking. So contact details means I'm talking about address, your email proof, your mobile numbers, where you get an OTP from a bank, where you give a message from a bank that bank has debited or credited account from your account. So this all type of document is required in order to open an current accounts. So many of you have a clear about open current account. So this is the document you have to submit it in order to open an account, current account. So many of you have a question about that, how many current account you can open. So obviously I have given an answer that you can open in number of current account, but provided you have to give the NOC of other current account to the present current account, present bank. Okay, so right now I have a question about that, whether the online transaction is given. Yes, online transaction is given, like you have given a transaction of NEFT, RTGS and IMPS facilities, where you can do all kind of transactions and then transfer from one account to the another account without any kind of hesitations. But there is some charges will occur, depend on bank to bank. Okay, depend on the amount you can transfer it. Okay, so that's all about the current accounts. And if you have a small business and small small shops, can we open on current account? Yes, we can open accounts. That's needed also. Okay, because that will be needed for open a current accounts. And because it's only useful for the businesses and small business, whether small or large, doesn't matter. So you have to open an account, you have to show your income, and you have to pay the taxes as well. So on the basis of that, so that's all about the current accounts. And hope you understand something from the topic and whatever I discuss it, and the difference I have told about the current account, saving accounts. And the overdraft facility I have told about, we can get overdraft facility on your current account, depend upon your ratings, your profiles on how many average monthly balance you can take kept in your current accounts. Depend upon that, bank will provide an overdraft facility or unsecured loan facility or the credit card facilities. So hope you understand something from my video, and if you have any question, you can write something on the comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and till now, goodbye, and see you on the further classes. Thank you so much.